Go.
I am Gabriella and I'm living here in Lecce, in Italy. And the first, the principal, the main thing that I found here in Let's Talking is the opportunity to speak with teachers that are very expert. They have a lot of expertise in teaching languages. So it's good for us, it's very good for us. So I learned a lot of things about English, yes, but also about religion too, and it was important because it's very beautiful to compare our religion and yours, so it's a good thing. Okay.